all India gi oina rank 3 laktuna Indian Military Academy da handaki lakliba January 2nd dagi join tawjadori
hauji hauji ichan pa se chatkedore ma chatkedobu se ai wakhandi nuaite
TGCSE technical graduate course kawi Indian Army na lawba da chahim da anirak lai. Hello everyone, I am Romario Yaithengbam. I thangban hizim de wale kai degini. I am mama gaming angom Romila Devi kawi. Maji hazi imphal head post office da Homeguard company commander oin leje. I give baba Yaithengbam Bimol Singh Maji CRPF leje. I had Indian Army na lawba technical graduate course 142 da all India gi oina rank 3 laktuna Indian Military Academy da handaki lakliba January 2nd dagi join tawjadori
hauji hauji ichan pa se chatkedore ma chatkedobu se ai wakhandi nuaite adubu aina nuaitaba mayam do tuminna phajalaga magi tawriba training sida mai pakpa afaba mingchat purakpo oisinu oina aina ishorna nijari kana
aigi interaction Guardian Defense Academy ga haujarapase ai February dagi ni mamana ai SSB college la ai har matamda mana chatuna hiruda Guardian Defense Academy da sarga thengna sarga mama ko bani chaluraga sarga number matamda sarga interact tawraga process ma'am SSB ki process ma'am bhaisari SSB ki process habadi psychology interview and GTO chilleri ba ahumje chiloina thoroughly sarga tawminaraga ai fazana practice tawra kholaga sarda haijai sarna fazana ai one on one guidance tawidana ai 1 month sargi makhada kana taw sargi under strict supervision of my sir I was able to clear this TGCSE technical graduate course kawi Indian Army na lawba da chahim da anirak lai maji mainly for engineering graduates ki oina ni nangna when you are in your final year or when you are just graduate oina thabi magi set yam limited oi high 30 set khak lai atopa civil gi makhal yam lare civil tamakpa computer science tamakpa electrical adagi EC high electrical and communication engineering gumba ade miscellaneous high atopa ma'am chemical tambo igera adagi biotechnology tampo era moi loina apply vacancy laigani sida adu CG aina horpa matamda aina final year aina 7th semester kai matamda apply tawjai adu ahan boina aije aigi selection phangduna aije cut off wangbadagi aina selection phangjare aduga aigi ahan board si 24 SSB Bangalore tai ai aduda TGC entry gi da ai conference a oise I is in a second subetemni I 18 SSB Alabata ge recommend tawjarapani I gi khwaidagi toughest journey haiba matam dadi I gi oina 7th semester karpa matam da in college tam 2025 ta I placement phangjai I civil company ma da akhoi gi college na senbiraga but I do logide I opt out gide I sida oina I armed forces oina changninge haiduna I adu opt out jagi tawjagi matamda imanaba mayamna thabak tawgiba natraga moina master samdabagi makha tana chathagi matamda tum isada kitang nuajadaba haidi aina tawji chumba aina tawji am I in the right decision na khanjagi aigi family gi support pioina mama baba zo pi ngai tege dum mo uniform da aina dum azari aduna maram oiraga dum andagi hongna pi tandage armed force tam changjani army navy or air force any one of them ado aigi family side tege mama baba na full support hoy mama na ju ai chen lang na tawdana karmana fani sin karma coaching tawni khoni man tawidana ai GDA ju nazar pani adu baba na ju dum full support hoy baba na yamba yum da lei traga ju baba na dum call tawdana khotana dum wari matai dum sane mama na ai mainly my pillar supports ai mother hoy jai mama na dum ai guidance pair pani na mama na yum da dum ai na suki phala mama na dum ayama matam mama ga lei bani na aina hozik hawakli bangang sing the presenting one message to the youths and my friends golama life has it's very important in your life nang adu da clear cut when nang adu focus tawiyo adu matung da it's very important to have a mentor in your life whether it be physical or online also adu matung da hard work khatana te smart work is also very important adu matung da discipline and consistency plays a very important role in achieving what you want to do and we should move forward failure haidi dum lerakani but adu ma'am do mayok naraga lakpa da nan amukhen na nang magun hapten success lakpa matam adu haisani